Hi viewers, welcome to Treats and Delights. In this video, I'm going to share a simple recipe with you all, Italian frittata. There are many ways of doing it and this is what I prefer. So let's get started. The main ingredient for this recipe is egg. So here I've took 3 eggs. Crack opening each at a time. You can take lots of eggs by your choice. I just took 3 for 2 person. I'm adding half cup of milk. You can skip the milk if you don't like it. By adding milk, the frittata will turn even fluffier. No perfect measurement for pepper powder. I'm just adding as much as I like. Some salt. Lightly beat the eggs. Let these remain covered until we prepare other ingredients. Here I've took 3 sausages, half of the onion and some potatoes. I'm slicing the onion very finely. You can add even garlic as well. Finely slicing the sausages as well. This is how I'm chopping the potatoes. You can chop it in any way you like. Pouring around 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Added the onions. Cook the onions till it turns brown in color. In this stage, I'm adding potatoes. Mix all together. Some salt. Mix well, and you can cover at this point of time to let the potatoes cook well. Adding a pinch of pepper powder. For spiciness, adding a tablespoon of red chilli powder. I personally like the taste of the cumin powder, so adding a teaspoon of it. Stir and combine well. Adding the chopped sausages. Combine everything well so that the potatoes and sausages nicely coated with the masalas. So this is done. I've took a wider tray here, layering the sausages and potatoes evenly in the tray. Now it looks beautiful and colorful. Here I've got the egg mixture. I'm going to pour slowly into the mixture without making a mess. It looks so tempting to eat right now. I've already preheated the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, and this goes straight to the oven for at least 15 minutes till the eggs are cooked. So viewers, the Italian frittata is ready to serve now. I've actually made it very simple here. You can add your favorite toppings like mozzarella cheese or some parsley leaves, or even some coriander leaves. Those who want to make a quick dish in a very less time, so this recipe is the top notch and very apt for this. I hope you all like this recipe. If you like, please give a thumbs up and comment. Until I meet y'all in next video, stay safe and stay happy.